The word as a conjunction is used to mean because. For example, as he was ill, he didn't attend the class. As he was ill, he didn't attend the class. He can't go now as he's busy. He can't go now as he's busy. B. The word as a conjunction is also used in the sense during the time when. For example, I noticed John as he was going to the market. We'll learn more as we read more. C. The word as a conjunction is also used to mean the same way or manner that something takes place or is done. For example, you must do as I say. It's done as I thought.